What will stop me from happy? I'm a happy girl. Me not have no reason to be unhappy. Yes, Claudette, conference November 24. All road lead to it's gonna be arena no good again. Arena no good again. Everybody are foreign, no buy no ticket. Get yourself together. Conference is coming up. Share the live. Oh my God, I know my throat no come back. Oh my God, my voice no come back. Victory in Jesus. Amen. Hold up on your victory. Oh, say the Lord is my shepherd. Good night, Chopper Chop. Gaza thugs. Y'all worry about the wrong thing. Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen and share the live. Y'all worry about the wrong thing, Papa. Saliba 12. Tap up the screen, Saliba 12, and share the live. Comrades, welcome. Students. Students, welcome. Students. Welcome, students. Tap up the live, students. Share the live, students. Students, welcome. Share the live, students. Students, please share the live and tap up the live and let the comrades know that I am here. Now, for all my well-wishers and the people who my sister, they have very much concerns about me, Khadija. I have been getting a lot of phone calls. I have been getting a lot of texts. And people, I don't know if they're genuinely concerned or they might check up on me, Selena. But I see some people who are call me from yesterday. Me never know say they have my number, Miss Chin. Me see some family member call me. Me see some friends that call me. Me see some enemies that call me. Jack, me see whole heap of people that call me. So me I wonder how what happened. So me go listen one voice note. And me say, okay. So look like say, because the Barracuda and P. Diddy make a video about me. I don't know, say P. Diddy have a big platform. So because P. Diddy depend on platform, a ball and a scream out about me. My poor family and well-wishers then concerned. They might call on my phone. Oh my God. Family, Jesus Christ. Khadija, suppose I saw them a call on my phone and check up on me. Oh my God. What a way the Barracuda and the PD they make my family a call on the place and hunt me down. Me gone viral, you know, guys. Me gone viral and share up the live there because the Barracuda and PD they make me go viral. I'm a poor family member from home and abroad. Far, far away, Khadija. I call me, Lou, I check up on me, I text me, I ask me, say, what happened? Like say they want, well, let me set the record straight. Like up the live, guys, I'm not reach a 10K yet. To my family and friends and people who have genuine concern about me, go on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Politics and More with MunchieB. Go on my YouTube, family and friends and well-wishers, and for person who want to get a blow-by-blow or step-by-step breakdown of the going-ons and what happened. Go on my YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If someone accusing me of doing something wrong, I would welcome any investigation with it. Of course. What the? And your time do Jamaica watchdog. And your time yet. So back to my public service announcement. So for the people who are genuinely concerned, Mrs. Someone call me. Missy say, you know what, text me. I don't worry because look like me go viral. Jesus! Look like said the Barracuda and P. Diddy send me viral. Which I thank you. I thank you. Me so answer that Jamaica Watchdog. Me have a public service announcement first. Go on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Politics and More with MunchieB. I am going to go live on my YouTube channel and we can talk about the court case. Okay? We can talk about the legal happenings. All right, Orlando? The legal procedure will not be prosecuted on TikTok. It will be prosecuted on my YouTube channel. So if you don't want to ask me about my legal case coming up, you have to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Kerry, good night. You know, stop comparing with the orange thing, Kerry. I sound black you. If you don't want to know about my legal case, Travi, I want to know when me go to court and what happened, what I go down. You subscribe to my YouTube channel. Politics and More with MunchieB. Over there, I go talk about the court case. Over there, I go down. You understand? Over there, everything I go discuss. The day when me I go to court, me go make you know everything I go on over my YouTube channel. So don't come over TikTok and come ask me nothing about the case. You have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when the court case starts, over there, me I discuss it. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Politics and More with MunchieB. Go and go find it and go subscribe it. And by the way, let me talk about my YouTube channel. You see them labor right people who take my content. You have to go down. You know yourself. You have to go down. You have to go down. The labor right people them who me see a post my content. You have to go down. Because when my team finish set up my YouTube channel, you cannot post no more of my content. You can't go and post it now because I'm not ready yet. But when my channel finish and ready, you have to let go off of my content because I soon post my content and I soon get 10,000 views, 5,000 views. I'm not even telling people if you can subscribe to my TikTok page. I'm not even telling people and say go and follow MunchieB and TikTok. Never that one not talk about. Imagine. I take my content and I care over YouTube. Labor right at me talk. I post my content without my permission. I get one bag of views. I not even tell the people them say go and follow MunchieB on TikTok. Understand that the least you can do. Well, I am working on my YouTube channel. And I am going to go over, thank you Orlando, I'm going to go over to my YouTube starting from November 1st. I am going to go and start going live from my YouTube channel. And over there, so we are discuss the court case. Alright? So I don't want nobody to call me again. Kerry, I hope you have your money. Because I'm going to need money to put towards my defense team. So I hope you have your money to put together. If we put my team together for go to court. So, anybody who want to know all the proceedings, I got the paperwork and everything, and when me I go to court and who am a lawyer and what is my defense and blah, 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 you have to come over to my YouTube channel. Go on over the Jamaica Watchdog. Politics and More with MunchieB. And Comrade Barracuda, Andre Cunningham, aka Dre Bryan, walking ice chuck, walking fuck out or from over St. Kitts. Me know you do your pop smear and because I still get complaints say you stink up TikTok. Thank you for the shout out. Thank you for sending traffic to my channel. And I want to tell you to continue to post me. continue to put me up on your channel and make me go viral and make me get popular and grow my channel and grow my footprint on social media. I love it, I love it, I love it. Thank you, Barracuda, aka Dre Brian. I want to thank you. And as for the court case, family, friends, well-wishers, do not call me on my phone and text me and ask me about the court case. Come over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And starting from November 1st, I will be talking about the court case on my YouTube channel, okay? Next thing on the agenda now, guys. The People's National Party. Mark Golding. Mark Jefferson Golding, highest paid politician in Jamaica. The desperate one. The man will look like him got dead if he not become Prime Minister. You know, me never listen to the mini press conference where you keep outside of Parliament yesterday, Mark Golding. I told them, yeah, listen it good. What you say? If the bill is passed, if the motion is passed, then the Governor General will have to act. Let me ask you a question, guys. And this is a serious question. No one come to answer it. Lisa Anna never come to work with yesterday. What the other one name where she and Lisa and her best friend? What the lady name where she and Lisa and her best friend? What the lady name where she and Lisa and her best friend Nicole? What's your name? And her daughter died a couple weeks ago. Condolences. What's your name? Goody, good night. Goody, me see you over why me easily get distracted. Goody, me see you over Triple X platform. What the way your stomach strong, man? In Goody, you Goody? Me see you over Triple X platform, but Goody, you can't waste one pound black, but you're worse than me. You're worse than me, Goody. When me look over there, I see you. Me stop over there 2 minutes, but me couldn't bear for look on Triple X case. Me have to left over there. You Goody in Goody? Me, a Triple X a waste of time. Triple X a waste of time. And I have time to waste on Triple X because the whole of them just look views and content. Triple X don't read nothing. Triple X exactly no. Triple X a fool. Triple X don't read nothing. Triple X just read headline. Triple X just read headline. Triple X a real waste of time. You sit down over Triple X, you waste time on black, but I bet you cuss him like how me cuss them Goody. But know you try for Goody intelligent route Goody. And you try for you, but I waste of time on Triple X. Because Triple X don't read, Triple X coming like Oral Tracy. Oral Tracy just read headline and go, and Bridget and friends, and Oral Tracy just look, you see people like Oral Tracy, people like Triple X, people like Dion Jackson Miller, Goody. You just need to cuss them, the people like you see me cuss them at night time. By the way, Triple X still a work on nationwide because I know Cliff Hughes supposed to fire him already because Cliff Hughes knows there's a big mistake in the make when he hire Triple X. Triple X now nothing about him, no substance. That's why, remember say, P. Diddy did send thief. When our Triple X the thief over Florida again, guys? Where did he catch him a thief? It's in that, then Orlando, Cliff Hughes knows so when he hire Triple X, he bring down the value and company, him have to fire Triple X quick. Yes, yeah, Vegas, me no miss Goody over there, me say, oh God, poor Goody a butter. Triple X don't read. Triple X work off a headline. Your Triple X I go tell Goody say, the opposition not effective because the opposition only have 14 people. Me say, look on the idiot. And I go ask Goody say which law the government when Goody I try explain to him say the government cannot move forward with becoming a republic because Mark Golding not play ball because Mark Golding don't want to leave King Charles alone. Triple X not understand them something because Triple X don't read. So Goody, me know you try with them, but Goody you chose to have a blackboard. Don't waste your time on Triple X. Don't waste your time on Triple X. I bet you go over pretty done. I bet you go over pretty done. No waste of time on the people there. Exactly. 300 plus PNP. Let me tell you, PNP people see any live where the PNP hear anybody pan a tear down the Jamaica Labour Party, the PNP will gather upon that live. If I overrun away comrade one shirt ready, them I go gather. If I over one room, not no leave no way, Schumacher Gully, Andre Stevens live, them I go over there. So if I over triple X, any live, we are tear down Andrew Holness, the comrade, them I go gather. So if we don't see triple X with 300 people, we don't have to worry. At 300 comrade, because anything fit bring down Andrew Holness, at that them I do. Triple X don't read nothing, triple X a waste of time. Don't go back over there, goody me. In my opinion, goody, don't go back over. Me can't tell you if you're adult, but I waste back your time on triple X. Triple X coming like Andre Stevens. Andre Stevens just a sing for his supper because if you don't tell her night time, him can't get in night dinner. If you don't tell her night time, him can't get no money for mine him man them. So you have to tell lie every single night on social media. I saw you put triple X in the same category there. And you see the one Oral Tracy, uno labor right we watch Oral Tracy YouTube channel, uno only give him views. Uno stop watch Oral Tracy, because Oral Tracy is the next one. Oral Tracy is an intelligent dunce. Oral Tracy don't read nothing neither. I just views he want. And Mr. Labor writer watch Oral Tracy live and I comment. When me go on YouTube and see Oral Tracy, me click on the tree that way say, do not show me back this channel. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see Oral Tracy. I don't want to see Big Mouth Dian Jackson Miller. By the way, speaking of Dian Jackson Miller, what are we a PNP, what are we a comrade media, RJR, fake news, Talent Paper, Gleaner, and Fox News, TVJ go down. You know why TVJ and Gleaner and all of the RJR media not generate enough revenue? Because they turn against the government. So they not get no ads from the government. They not generate no income from the administration. That's why Mark Golden and the PNP are pushed so hard for coming out government so they can give RJR media more government contract and more government advertisement and go more and run more program through the RJR media. No tell me if I lie, me I tell guys. Tell me if I lie, me I tell you, but right, because I know so no have sense. So no not follow the PNP people, they wanna read that right. The reason why the RJR media is not generating enough income is because they not get no money from the government. Because they not get no ad, they not no government not run a program through them. They not get no announcement that when the government are keep any outside broadcasting, they not invite the TVJ, they might invite nationwide. You remember how TVJ, you remember how PNP government did starve nationwide under Percival? And that I reach them now. And that I reach, they think they lay off. You think we don't lay off people yet? We don't so have to go lay off Big Mouth Dian Jackson Miller very soon. You see the idea where Dian Jackson Miller come up with to start her own podcast is a beautiful idea because she soon become a freelance journalist because she has become a YouTuber and a blogger. Dian Jackson Miller has fallen from grace. She's no longer a distinguished journalist, loved and respected, and people look up to. She's a blogger now. She's a blogger and a YouTuber now. So she soon have to just stick to YouTube and TVJ, so have to go lay she off. Because she not have no credibility. She not have no credibility, boom. Back in the days when me I grew up, when me used to have TVJ, JBC and Super Supreme. And when Dian Jackson Miller do one program, everybody sit on front of them TV. Everybody sit down front of them TV, Philippian, because we want you with Dian Jackson Miller have to say. She was a woman with standard and with good. Mister, we used to love her. When she speak, we used to listen. And we used to trust her whenever we used to go read up for ourselves. But since our boss start go with Golden, and the entire RJR media line up behind Mark Jefferson Golden and the PNP, she has lost all credibility and all substance and all value. She watered down. TVJ has become a fake news under Dian Jackson Miller. Dian Jackson Miller and you see Archibald, remember Archibald Garden? Remember Archibald Garden? I work with TVJ from in 1920s and we used to love Archibald Garden, you know. No, they're not carrying no dash. That's why they might lose money. That's why they might feel lay off Clear Grant. You don't know Clear Grant. You remember Clear Grant, a friend of the 90s? You remember Clear Grant back in the days when Calabar used to win school challenge quiz back to back to back to back. And Clear Grant, if you don't look on every pitch a Clear Grant to give them the trophy. That is Clear Grant. The little black woman with the straight face and she used to cut down her hair nice and cute. See them have to send home Clear Grant there because TVJ not generate enough income because of where they turn pan the Jamaica Labour Party administration, lies and propagandas and fake news. TVJ has become the fake news of Jamaica, the Fox News of Jamaica, the Newsmax of Jamaica. No credibility, no substance. The head of the propaganda team is Dion Jackson Miller, aka Laura Ingram. Dion Jackson Miller, aka Laura Ingram over Fox News. Archibald Gordon, aka Sean Hannity. Yes, that is what going over TVJ. Travi. TVJ is the Fox News of Jamaica, and Dion Jackson Miller is just like Laura Ingram at night time when you put your TV on Fox News and you hear Laura Ingram attack. What she go sue me because me say what she mean? That is my opinion. What she go sue me because me say she equivalent to Laura Ingram and the other one equivalent to Sean Hannity. All I me tell, that is how me feel about the work where them I do them bias. They are very, very biased, and them only bring Mark Golding fake news and Mark Golding propaganda. Now let me go back to Mark Jefferson Golding, guys. No, Mark Jefferson Golding brought a private motion bill to the Parliament yesterday. Now, Mark Jefferson Golding is a top lawyer. He will be the first to tell you, say, I'm the top lawyer in Jamaica, and him know the law. And Mark Golding know the proper parliamentary procedure, but yet still, him bring the bill to Parliament and try to bomb rush the Speaker of the House. And when you not getting where, he go downstairs, go call press conference. You know what funny about the press conference when Mark Golding call Lou? When Mark Golding read the bill, Mark Golding say, if the bill was passed, then the Governor General have to act. So I want to ask Mark Jefferson Golding a very serious question tonight. Are the 11 vagabond them behind you? You're going to use and pass that bill? Mark Golding, you don't have the majority. At the level, musketeers behind you, you did not use them. How that bill you go pass, Mark Golding? Mark Golding, me knows you're educated, and me knows you're smart, and me know you're top level. Me not take that from you. You see like how me that call Dion Jackson Miller fake news and she blast her shine. I will not take away the fact that you are to me, I know the labor right now go like when me say that. But when me think about a good lawyer in Jamaica, me put you in the list. Me not take that from you. Because me see your work, and when you was in opposition and when you was in Portia government, me like how you put yourself together. I mean, when you speak, me understand what you say. Even though the labor right now go agree with me, but me personally, when you speak, me understand what you say, you explain it good and me understand. So that is why me know say, you know where you come with yesterday was political gimmickry. Me know you know Mark Golding because me know you know better. Me know when it comes to the law of the Parliament, you Mark Golding you know the law like the back of your hand. When it comes to legislation, Mark Golding, you know it like the back of your hand. So me know so this political gimmickry. When you come to Parliament yesterday with for score political points, you don't get no points yesterday, Mark Golding. You come up 0. You're not trend. You're not trend, Mark Golding. This was a hit and miss. You miss. Because you know why, Mark Golding? Because the government was prepared for you. You know, let me tell you something, labor rights. I mean, you're not going to like this is a very unpopular opinion. I mean, also King not going to like it. But you see, because Mark Golding knows sometime. You see, because Mark Jefferson Golding knows sometime. our member of parliament are not quick on their feet? It's because Mark Golding knows that sometimes our legislators are not quick on them feet and sometimes some things pass they'll right up because they're old and senile. Mark Golding came to the parliament yesterday, goody, with the intention to bombard and bully the parliament yesterday. Well, guys, me have followed the parliament since Mark Golding. Let me tell you something. You know, so since Mark Golding became the leader of the PNP, I have never, ever underestimated Mark Jefferson Golding. Ask any PNP people who come in my inbox when me and them talk privately. I have never, ever, ever underestimated Mark Golding because me know say Mark Golding is a dunce man and Mark Golding know the law. So me know say Mark Golding when it come to the law, we have to pay attention, goody. He may be not political savvy and he may be not know the political tricks and trade, but it's when it come to the law, Mark Golding know the law. So it's because Mark Jefferson Golding knows that sometime when he come to the parliament, he overtalk the government member them, and every time when they say something, he stand up and say, oh, that is not how the law is interpreted. That is not the way how the law should go. That is not the way this and that he normally do, and he insert himself and he bully them and he go like say he's smarter than everybody else. And that is the one pull yesterday. That is why I wait for the last minute to give the bill to the speaker. Because he knew say he was going to do that. So he never expect Petal for the Jamaica Labour Party member them for dip on their feet, Mama Joy. He never expect it. He never expect it, goody. Then he never expect Pernell Charles yesterday. He never expect when Prezi stand up and tell him, say, me not even make you finish. When Prezi say, me not even make you finish, member. Sit down. He never expect that because Delroy Chuck, being the gentleman that he is, would allow him to finish. Prezi say, me not even make you stand up. Me never make you finish with your propaganda. Sit down. This now come, this now cut it. Sit down. He never expect that. He knew. Don't get me wrong, he had the media on standby. Don't get me wrong. He knew that the government would give him a fight. But what he thought would have happened, he thought that the government would have making table it with them, then debate it, and then vote, and then we vote it down. That's what he thought, Petal. He thought that we were going to allow him to bring it to the floor, discuss it. He know he not have the vote. In Mark Golding no fool. Mark Golding know him not have the vote. Him know. So him know say it was never going to pass, Bernard. That was not his intention. He just wanted the spotlight and the front page of the Gleaner. He know that they not go pass. Political gimmickry just to gain political points. He wanted to table it. And then he want to debate it so he can talk up what he mischief and make a whole heap story. Because remember, say you can't tell what he life and people in case you never know, guys. You know, so you can't tell what he life and people at the parliament and then can't sue you do. What if you don't know? For those of you who don't follow the parliament and don't ask people, oh parliament, go and don't read. You can, as a member of parliament, you can go into the parliament and tell any amount of lie where you want, tell nobody can sue you. So that was his intention. His intention was to table him and Angela Brownberg, a.k.a. Matilda, a.k.a. Market Mayor, a.k.a. Dongertown, was going to stand up and talk all bag story and tell all bag gimmickry. And then they go call for your vote. Then, of course, he knew he not have the vote. So after that, don't know, Alanda know, the Gleaner go put government members vote against the private motion bill to against the Prime Minister. That is what was going to be the headline. That is what, that was his plan. He never expect Prezi to so quick, pan him feed Suzette. He never expect. So when Prezi stopped, stand up and study, when the good minister, when the good minister stand up, King, and stop him in a track, he had no choice but to run out. You know, he run like a wounded dog, broke Usain Bolt record, and run downstairs and call the media. Yes. Mark, let me tell you something. You see, now that we know your political gimmickry and data that come with, you see, now that we know your political trickery, and we know you're desperate for state power, and we know say you and Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell is desperate to get on and the NIR, we prepared for you. We are prepared for you guys. You guys are not going to be on a free-for-all again. And a business as usual. Because we know, say, you know the law. Same like when you go to your political platform and you say, Andrew Honest, you know who are the 6, call their name. And then the Observer came out with a damning report that 5 members of the People's National Party is under investigation for illicit enrichment. You remember that, Mark Bolin? You remember how much mischief you walk around the country and spread and propaganda and talk about how Andrew Holness must tell the people of Jamaica how he member of parliament under investigation, and it turned out that it was 5 members of your party, Jefferson. In Jefferson, we not fall for your trick no more. We not fall for your trick no more. You need to bring a private members bill to the parliament so that we can bring you, because you have bring the parliament in disrepute. You have act unparliamentary enough time. First time you did it was when I mean, remember which member of parliament you did disrespect in 2022. And when the ombudsman tell us if it's apologize, you said you are not apologizing. That's the first thing. Second thing you did, Mark Golding, when you went on the political platform and you tell dead people, say you was them supposed to vote. That is when you was instigating dead illegal dead voting. That is you again. Third thing, Jefferson. And when you put the chain around the black man neck for your conference run a jungle, that was discriminating and racist against black people. Somebody should have bring a private motion bill against you for that. And the fourth and final thing, Mark Jefferson Gold, that you did was when you told the people of Jamaica, when you went on Nightly Fix and you told the people of Jamaica that since you entered representational politics, you did not think it was proper for you to still be a British citizen and fly on your British book. And you gave us the assumption that you were not still a British citizen. You led us to believe that you were no longer a British citizen. And when push come to shove, Mark Jefferson Golding, you were still a British citizen. So in my opinion, you lied to the people of Jamaica. That was deception. You need to bring a private motion bill against yourself. You need to bring a private members bill about yourself, Mark Jefferson Golding. So the time you take a point finger for Andrew Michael, Dr. Holness, 9 finger pointing back at you. You compromise. You compromise, Mark Jefferson Golding. And the bill, and then Marky G. Jefferson. You know that bill that we come with was a waste of time. Because 11 people can't pass bill in a parliament. You and your 11 musketeer, and I'm not even 11 now there because Lisa Anna wasn't there. Madam Garvey wasn't there. You, Graham, wasn't there. That's a 3. Peter Phillips wasn't there. That's a 4. I must about 10 or 7 was there. We are go with that. That is distraction. You know, so they should have locked you up for public mischief, do Mark Golding. You know, so they should have locked you up for public mischief, do. Because every single week you come to the parliament and you create public mischief. See, Goody, I say, Walking Dead with our face full of makeup wasn't even there. So look like a 9 hour they did it, Mark Golin. Mark Golin, oh, you love problems, so Mark Golin. Then Mark Golin, let me ask you a question. I see your plan for just wheel up yourself and dilly-dally and come in a parliament. You don't plan to be serious about the affairs of this country. You Mark Golin? And when you read it, I go stop underestimate and disrespect the people of Jamaica, Mark Golin. When are you going to sit down and craft up serious policy that can make the lives of Jamaican people better? When are you going to do that, Mark Golin, and stop with the political gimmickry? When are you going to do that, Mark Golin? When are you going to keep a press conference and tell the Jamaican people, if your farm government, what are you going to do as it relates to inflation? When are you going to do that, Mark Golin? When are you going to sit and talk to the people of Jamaica and tell us that if your farm government, you are going to where you going to get money from to pay the teachers more? Where are you going to get money from to pay parents to go to evening school? Where are you going to get money from to implement your debt relief for your student loan people? When are you going to tell the people of Jamaica? When are you going to sit and engage us into decent, proper policies, Mark Jefferson Golden? When? I see your plan, I saw date and plan to send you come to the parliament every week with political gimmickry, Mark Golden. I saw date and plan to send you to the parliament every week with your political gimmickry and your foolishness and your dally house and your ramping shop and your patty shop. When are you going to sit down and have a proper intellectual conversation with electorates, Mark Jefferson Golden? When are you going to tell us where the money are going to come from to pay the teachers more money? You promise them more money. Where you get that money from? You promise to pay the parents money to go to evening school. Where you going to get that money from? You promise all the people who take out student loan for every year that they stay and work in the system, you're going to write off them debt. We're going to make up that shortfall. Where will the extra revenue come from to make up that shortfall? When are you going to sit down and have a proper conversation with the people of Jamaica, Mark Jefferson Golden? When you going to stop your political gimmickry? When? Imakiji? I know everybody fool like they come with them when walk on an orange shirt with especially that they cup of talk about time coming up. A lot of Jamaican people want to hear policies. A lot of Jamaican people want to hear plans. Where you going to get the money from to implement the school feeding program? Mark Golin, where will the money come from to implement the school feeding program? Because under Percival Noel James Pattison, Pitney couldn't go to school if them mother not have money to pay school fee. Under Percival Noel James Pattison, if your mother not have the school fee, they lock you out a gate and send call your mother. When are you gonna tell the people of Jamaica? Where will the money come from? When me not ask Damien Crawford, where the money come from, because everybody remember when Damien Crawford was minister in a Portia Simpson government, Damien Crawford tell the teacher them say, him prefer to take a haircut than a pay cut when the teacher them ask him for an increase. When the nurses them ask Damien Crawford for an increase, Damien go shell down London. When the police them ask Damien Crawford for an increase, Damien sponsor sting. So me not ask Damien Crawford where the money come from. Me ask you, Mark Jefferson Golden, where will the money come from to implement those policies? Talk to me, Mark Golden. Engage us. Stop idiot. And not everybody does. A lot of us Jamaican people want to put your policies in a one column, and we want to put Andrew Holness policies in a one column, and we want where the pros and the cons. We want to make good and smart decision when we go to the ballot box next year. So tell us your plan. Tell us your plan, Mark Jefferson Golding. Where will the money come from to implement those policies? Now me hear see you say, I never hear no one that ears. Me hear see you say, I don't know if I told you have to come out and go explain it to us. I heard that you say when the PNP farm government you are going to implement affordable health care. Explain to us what you mean. What does affordable health care means? Are we going to now be paying to use the public health facilities? Are we now going to be asked to pay to use the public health facilities, Mark Golding? Are we now going to be asked to pay to get our medication from NHF? We want to know. Them are simple question you're supposed to can come out and answer we. And before you come out and answer we, every single week you come to Parliament in your orange shirt and make mischief. What is wrong with you, Mark Jefferson Golding? What you say when you form government, you are going to implement a solar light program. How are you going to pay for that? Where will the money come from to buy the solar light and to implement it and to put them up? Who is going to pay for that? Are you planning to give the PNP people in a jungle free solar light? Who are going to pay for it? Because the last time when Portia Simpson was in government, she make a scheme down at Delacree Park for PNP people who never work a day in their life with NHT money. Those persons have never worked a day in their life and they're sitting now in housing trust houses and they have never contributed to housing trust. And they see something you plan to come back in Condo Mark Golding? Are those the same policies you are planning to come in government and implement, Mark Jefferson Golding? We want to know. Are those the same handout policies and pressure taxpayer? Are those the same policies you are planning to come and implement? The last time when PNP was in government under Portia Simpson Miller, the NHT board with Lambert Brown was a part of that board. They used the NHT money and bought out outer many. Right now, as we speak, dog and yam, goat and yam grass down outer many. Are those the same policies you are planning to come and implement, Mark Jefferson Golding? We want to know. We want to know. The last time when PNP was in government under Percival Noel James Pattison, you guys sold out JPS to a company that was going bankrupt for $300 million US, and within 5 years the company make up 3 times the money where they spend and sell back the company to a next company under Percival Noel James Pattison. So when we want to know, Mark Golding, we not buy pussy in a bag. Tell us. Tell us. The last time when Portia Simpson was in government, you guys sat in the Parliament and craft up legislation and start to charge the ordinary Jamaican people to use the public beaches. You tell we say we're not going to use the money to renovate the beaches in this country. Under the People's National Party, you guys have not renovated not one public beach. Not one public beach was renovated under the People's National Party. So when we see the PNP, they on platform I talk about, oh, when we become government, we're going to make private and public beach for Jamaican people. Why didn't you guys do it? Why didn't Portia do it in 2012? Why didn't Percival do it in the 18 and a half years of Percival, Noel James Patterson, and Omar Davis? Why would never do it? Remember under Percival, Noel James Patterson, uno thief one Walla Beach. Uno thief one Walla Beach and give to an hotel. So I want to hear the policies of the People's National Party. You can't just come tell me say time come, time come, time come. And what else? And what else? The beach don't Ochi across the free. Uno sell it, uno give it to uno friend on a big 50-year contract for 10 cents on the dollar. 10 cents on the dollar. The beach across the free. Don't Ochi, uno know the beach. A very popular beach. I know, see Petala say, I know prickly pole still no pave. I know the perimeter wall, upper hero circle, still no bill. So we not buy no pussy in a bag, Mark Golin. We not buy no pussy in a no bag. You need to come and talk to us, the people of Jamaica. If you want us to move away from Andrew Michael Holness, the hardest working prime minister in the history of Jamaica. If you want to tell us that we must come over to you, you need to tell us the policies that you're going to put in place to make Jamaican people life better. What are you going to do about inflation, Mark Golden? What are you going to do? What are you going to do about cost of living? Because that I want to cry. That I want to cry every day. What are your plans? And every single week, you and Angela Brown Burke, you and Anthony Hilton, Angela Brown Burke, Anthony Hilton, Mark Jefferson Golden. Every week we go to Parliament with the same old story never end. The last time when the Prime Minister stand up in a Parliament and say we're putting plans in place to remove to clear up the Riverton dump and put the dump somewhere else. Anthony Hilton stand up in a Parliament and tell the government say they're not careful of them and move the dump because people live off of the dump. You know hear that? That's a PNP member of Parliament, you know. You see how PNP care about the PNP people? Eh? You see how PNP care about PNP people? That's how much them value, you know. That's how much they care about poor people. The man say the people depend on the dump to survive. And from 2020, Mark Jefferson Golden became the party leader. He has not put one policy on the board. We can't say, yes, this sounds good, we can work with it. Nothing. Yes, Takodan, he said it. He has not put one policy in place. Me hear him and the PNP people around say, oh, Mark Golden was the one that come up with the idea that we should move and remove the guarantor from student loan. Lie. Me can't go in a Google right now and bring up an article from 2007 when Andrew Michael Holness was the Minister of Education under Bruce Golden. He said it. Me can't bring that up right now and show no Mark Golden and a Mark Golden idea that. That is not Mark Jefferson Golden idea. That policy was from Bruce Golden time. When Dr. Andrew Holness was the Minister of Education, he said it. Mark Golden have no new and fresh ideas. Ideas, like according to him kind of say ideas, you know. Mark Golden have no good and fresh ideas. No good and fresh ideas Mark Golden don't have. Andrew Holness, you know, put that in a Google. Put that in a Google, an article will come up and tell you that in 2007, under the Honorable Bruce Orrick Golding administration, Andrew Holness was speaking about that. No new policy. Remember say under PNP government, about 3 times PNP break ground over the dust bowl over Portmore, say them a build hospital or whatever them a build over there. 3 times. 3 times. And me live to see under Andrew Michael Holness government, the Resilient Park is now being built. It's at now at 40% under Andrew Holness. So what is Mark Golding's plan? When he talk about health care, under the 18.5 years of Percival Noel James Pattison, Percival has not built not one single hospital. Not one. Portia, me not even talk about Portia. Me never talk about Portia. Because if you don't realize, the PNP omit Portia 4 years. The only time PNP talk about Portia 4 years and when they talk about how Peter Phillips go get the IMF deal, or when they talk about Portia got China go negotiate the deal for the hospital and the road at St. Thomas. Other than that, PNP omit Portia era. They don't want to talk about it. They don't want to talk about it. Because Portia Simsimila was just there as a figurehead. Portia never did run no country. Poor Portia, bless her heart. I never want to talk bad about her. I didn't want to talk about Sister P. Because when Sister P was the Prime Minister, she don't even know if it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. She come like Joe Biden. When Portia did run government, Portia don't even know if it was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. She was like Joe Biden. So me not even want to trouble her. And Peter Phillips did run the government. Portia was just there as Mama P. You know? Figurehead. So bless her heart, me don't even want to trouble her. But Mark Jefferson Golding, you need to tell the people of Jamaica what policies you are going to put in place to make the lives of the Jamaican people better. It can't only be time come. It cannot only be time come. And this run around, me soon run about to talk about corruption. PNP party. PNP government is the mother of all corruption. When you talk about corruption, you have to talk about the People's National Party. You know, remember, say, PNP are the first party where thief them own a campaign fund. Who remember when PNP thief them campaign fund? One of comrades, type in the chat and tell me if you don't remember when PNP thief them own campaign fund. Type in the chat and tell me if the PNP find out who thief the campaign fund all now. Remember under the People's National Party, you know, guys. When PNP give out a contract to anybody, you know, they have to get 10% as their finder's fee, you know. Under the People's National Party, you know. Remember the PNP, when Philip Palwell go on with himself, PJ Patterson come out and say, oh, his youthful exuberance. Remember the PNP, when Kern Spencer go on with his fandangos and a parliamentary ball. The PNP judges them save him, you know. We not talk about corruption. And to this day, we cannot find the corruption that we claim about Andrew Holness because we bring a forensic auditor from overseas and pay $30 million. And the forensic auditor said they don't find anything. So we not talk about corruption. Where is the corruption? Where is the corruption, comrades? If there is a corruption, we will not go charge him. We show all comrades them dumb, Khadija, not think. If Andrew Holness is corrupt, I want to find a vast majority of corruption Charge the man. Charge him and bring him before the court. Charge him and bring him before the court. Make him answer questions. Where is the corruption? I don't know what corruption mean, comrade. I don't know what corruption mean. After, comrades, you know what happened, labor rights? Tap up the screen, guys. I'm gonna get to 100K yet, man. You know what, when we notice comrade would be the first one to tell you, oh, we dunce. And how Bustamante couldn't read. And how labor rights prefer saltfish than education. And how Michael Manley give them free education and them bright. And when you try to engage the bright Michael Manley comrade them in a conversation, them cannot even put two sentences together. Because every night me come on you TikTok and me ask a bright comrade. Me say, comrade, point me to the corruption. And if there is a corruption, I may not see it. Charge him. Charge him. Bring him before the court. When I wait, pan, what are you guys waiting on? And then the Non-Integrity Commission. Justice Seymour, corruption, Justice Seymour. Campaigning on behalf of the People's National Party and Mark Jefferson Golding. Guys, we don't follow this now. If it wasn't for the we don't notice only thing PNP a campaign pan now a corruption. So just imagine if the Integrity Commission never did help them. What would they be campaigning on? Because they can't campaign per road because the Jamaica Labour Party has fixed more roads in the history of Jamaica. The Jamaica Labour Party has fixed and renovated more roads in the history of Jamaica. I remember in a 2003, Pickersgill said Jamaica would be, in a 2002, Pickersgill said Jamaica would be pothole free by 2003. The only road PNP can show up on the one like highway with PJ make. They cannot campaign for health care because in 2007, when Bruce Golding said we're going to have free health care, Portia Simsimila and Peter Phillips and the PNP said it cannot be done. It cannot be done. That's what they said. They said it cannot be done. When they talk about education, PNP can't even talk because under Percival, Noel James Pattison, and one Maxine Henry Wilson, Jamaican pit in them and name Pambula. Under Percival and Maxine Henry Wilson, Jamaican Pitney graduated at school at 15-year-old and cannot read and write. It was when Bruce Golding won the election in 2007 and put in Andrew Michael Holness as the Minister of Education. He implemented, he overall the education system and put in the grade 3 literary test and the grade 4 literary test. And so that you can test the kids them when they reach grade 3 and test them again when they reach grade 5 and implementing the reading policy and higher reading remedial teachers. It was under Bruce Golding and Andrew Michael Holness. So PNP can't talk about education. PNP can't talk about education because under Percival, when PNP import book from foreign, they don't know how much book them have. They just have them PNP friend. When they get the contract to bring in book, they don't have any idea how many books coming in the country. They don't have any idea of how many books the school them need, and they're not tracking the books. So, and PNP preside over the greatest level of illiteracy under the history of Jamaica under Percival, Noel James Pattison, and Maxine Henry Wilson. Maxine Henry Wilson, Percival. Under FIDEM regime, kids are left grade 9 are graduating a gown and can't read and write. Pitney I left grade 9 and I read at grade 1 level under Percival era. And when Bruce Gordon won the election, and made Andrew Holness the Minister of Education, he had to go in and change up the system and start test the kids them earlier so he could have catch them at a younger age, so he could have get them the extra help that they need. Andrew Holness do that. Andrew Michael Holness did that. And when what's your name? Portia won the election in 2012. They continue with the same policies where Andrew Holness put in from 2007. They continued with it. Ronnie Tweet wasn't bad. I mean, I go give him basket for carry water. I never bad. He continued with the same thing. He continued with the same literacy test where Andrew put in. But under PJ, Pierre don't spit near left school. When the rural kids them left school, them not know where to go but to the farm. I go pick coffee. I go working at the farm. Guys, you remember in the 90s, the level of teenage pregnancy in the country? You look around if you don't see none of that go on. Remember the government just come out with it and say the birth rate dropping. You know why it drop? Because kids nowadays have more purpose, have more plans, have more opportunity. Because the government put in more resources. So if you, for example, you're not bright, if you pass the 8 and 9 subject, you can go hard, go learn one skill. And the PNP, when you left school, you don't have no jobs. You don't have no jobs. You don't have nothing to do easy. Would I either go on the farm, I go working at the Chinese store them downtown, I go breed and make man mind you. Now, you know why the birth rate level drop? Because of the Andrew Michael Holness administration. And if young people even now get pregnant, one pitney them I have. One pitney them I have. Because when they have them baby, they can go back a heart. They can go back a woman center. They can go get a skill. They have to go back road. Under the Jamaica Labour Party, back road has become redundant. The Jamaica Labour Party has redundant the workers of back road. Back road now keep again. Under the Jamaica Labour Party. Because the government tell you come and go hard. And if you don't have the money, we go no. Me I watch one video today on TikTok where Bobby Mantic said 200 young people and make and 30 a day will up people. Sign up to go to heart. Would you never see that happen? When have you guys ever seen that happen under the People's National Party? People have opportunity now. People have hope. People have dream. People have aspiration. Young girl now, when you back in a PNP time, guys, when you're pregnant and you have one baby, the way your time hard. You have to stay with your baby father, Nadine. And when you stay with your baby father, and if him poor and you're poor, you don't have no money if you go a clinic, if you go take your injection. So as the baby reach one in breed you again. So you have 1 pound one and 1 pound and baby pan breast and baby pan foot. Under the PNP time, level of poverty. No work, no jobs. No opportunity. I live to see under Andrew Michael Holness. When a young girl have a little baby, she can carry her baby, go a woman, go left with somebody and go out. And now, under this government in our next term, we're going to open up some government daycare. This government is going to open up some public daycare easy. So when minimum wage worker have them baby. They can register for the public daycare and carry them baby at daycare so they can go back to school. That is the plan of the Andrew Michael Holness government. That's why we don't hear me and ask Mark Gould if he come with him plan. And because I want hear where my feet offer. That is the plan of Andrew Michael Holness in our next term. When we pay down the debt and free up more money, the government of Jamaica is planning to open up public daycare, public facilities, so that when minimum wage worker work, Kimmy, then have to work, then nobody will keep them, all they need to do and register them baby from them baby in a belly. The spot them are going to limit it because a little by little. We not have the money if we do not 3, 4, 5, 6 one time. We want to have one in every parish. We want to have one in every parish, easy. And like 2 in a Kingston and St. Andrew. So when the minimum wage worker them have them baby Khadija, and then have nobody to leave them baby with. When them pregnant, then go and they register them baby. Wall they spot. Wall they spot. And when you go work now, you go hard. Once you go to school, I know everybody. So all the PNP people in the ghetto. Nobody thinks so you can breed up. And bring on a baby come left for the daycare and go downtown, go sit down and spread out. Or go on a shop corner. And also, because the Jamaica Labour Party run under law and order. And a party shop. And a Mark Gould run it. It's going to run under decency and order. There's going to be a system in place. It is for persons who are going back to school. It is for persons who are going back to school, One Majesty. It is for persons who are working minimum wage. And of PNP, and a social program for PNP, like when you do to the PAD program. We're not going to mash it up like when you mash up the PAD program in a town. Make sure one on from now. You guys, you are not going to mash it up and run it down like when you run down the PAD program. It is going to run in decency and in order. If you want to go back at heart, if you want to go back at college, you sign up on a baby in a belly, register your baby, and there will be a spot for you. Once you go to school for the 4 years or the 3 years you go to school, the government is going to keep your kid for the hours within your school time. When you finish school and you get a job, you take out your pitney and go up to where you need to do and free up the spot for somebody else. I don't like the PAD program where the PNP people don't want to come off. The last time the minister tell us say it's not generational and a place for mother, father, grandmother, sister, brother. And also, because the way the PNP want run the PAD program, guys, it's like then granny they pan it, then mother they pan it. And when the mother put her 9 pitney pan it, the 9 pitney come and have pitney and put feed them pitney pan it, and then feed them pitney go. I saw them one with, and I saw this go run under the Jamaica Labour Party. And I saw this go run. As soon as you finish, exactly no, and a generation and down. And yeah, as soon as you finish school, and you get a job, you disqualify. It's like you disqualify and free up the spot for someone else. Free up the spot for someone else. So there will be no excuses when you see some baby mother in the community. You say, wagwan, no gwan. Me say go look at the work. No, me nah nobody feel leave me baby with. You soon nah no more excuse. You guys soon don't have any more excuses. First, we have that to put on a baby in, plus we have the program with the black, where the school name, the black and white school name Petal. When you get pregnant in a women's center, we're still gonna have the women's centers. So we're gonna have the women's center for the teenage pregnancy, and we're gonna have the after school care for this low income earners. That is the plan that Andrew Holness government have in place for the poor people in this country. Because this government, King, of course, is a caring government. We not only talk the talk, We walk the walk. We not just walk around and say, oh, we love poor people. We love poor people. We're not like the PNP. The PNP only love poor people. That's why they continue to keep you poor. The PNP only love poor people. That's why the people in Matilda Brown constituency still don't have any inside bathroom. That's why the people in Mark Jefferson Golden constituency still don't have any inside bathroom and still using plastic bag to relieve themselves. That's why the people in Anthony Hilton constituency still live off of the dump. That's why the people them in a Philip Powell constituency still eat up them one another like cannibal. That's why the people them in a Julian Robinson constituency still dig out their hand miggle and say they don't want to work because minimum wage too low. That's why the people them in a Philip Powell constituency still live pan yai top. If you quit then drop off, because the People's National Party love poor people so much that they continue to keep them poor. The Jamaica Labour Party government under Andrew Michael Holness will move people from poverty to prosperity. The Jamaica Labour Party government will put policies in place to make Jamaica the place where we can work, raise with family, do business, do vacation, safe place. That is what the Andrew Holness government have in store for the Jamaican people. We not just talk the talk. We not just walk around and talk about time come. It's not all about special in a cup. It's not all about $5,000 in an orange shirt. It's not all about one up and down behind politics. It is about changing people's lives and making people's life better than how you come see them. It is about going to a family. It's about going to a family and help a member of the family so the person can create generational wealth for the rest of the family. That is what the Andrew Holness administration have in store for the people of Jamaica. And because the People's National Party under Mark Jefferson Golden and Dayton Campbell have no plan for the people of Jamaica, they just walk around about time come and walk around and talk about corruption, 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 nothing else. Nothing else. When you ask them, say, what are you going to do as it relates to crime? Them say, them are going to use fishermen to fight crime. They say, them are going to sell back all of the boat them what we have out of the sea. And them are going to sell back all of the helicopter what we have. And them are going to send home all of the people them out of Port Royal. And them are going to use fishermen to fight crime. And that they say. Can remember under Peter Bunting government, he put up an call for divine intervention. Remember under Percival government, Jamaica was the murder capital of the world. Under Mark Jefferson Golden, and if Mark Jefferson Golden want to tell Jamaican people that he's serious about crime, he have to walk the walk, not only talk the talk. And based on when I see a go on under Mark Golden People National Party, they have no moral authority to speak on crime. None whatsoever. Because PNP is a political hub for criminality. If you is a criminal, you are welcome in the People's National Party. If you is a crime doer or a violence producer, you are welcome in the People's National Party. If you are a person who believes in a chaos and confusion and baga and Ray, that is the Mark Golden led People's National Party. No standard. No standard whatsoever. But when you talk about crime, PNP cannot talk about crime. Because in a PNP stronghold, in a PNP safe seat, I know they can't tell where who killed Maxine. Don't a PNP bastion. PNP is a supporter of criminality. So when it comes to crime in this country, mark PNP off of the list. When it comes to health care in this country, mark the People's National Party off the list. When it comes to infrastructure, mark the People's National Party off the list. Health care, mark them off. Your PNP, I go talk about social program. And when me go on some PNP platform, I hear PNP say, oh, me hear the PNP people. And the turn back PNP people are talking about, oh, the Jamaica Labour Party don't do nothing for poor people. First, let me ask them to identify the poor people where Jamaica Labour Party don't help. That's the first thing. Point me to the block of the PNP people that the Jamaica Labour Party is not helping. Because under PNP, poor people picnic couldn't go to college. Under PNP, poor people picnic could not put their foot in a university. Because if you don't have nobody to sign your student loan paper for you and be a guarantor, dog, nyam, your supper. Under PNP, poor people picnic couldn't go to heart. Because you have to pay to go to heart. So when me hear people say Jamaica Labour Party not help poor people, me ask them which poor people them attack. And most the poor people in a jungle them attack. And most the poor people where Angela Brownberg. Angela Brownberg people them name King. And most the poor people in down there so them attack. And most the poor people in a Riverton them attack. And most the PNP people them attack. Because the well-thinking Jamaican people know that it is the Andrew Holness administration that has done the most. Andrew Holness administration has done the most for the people of Jamaica. Yes, don't a PN land. And most the poor people don't a PN land them attack. And the one them don't a jungle. And the one them don't a say, I know the ordinary people who want better in a life them attack. It's not a crime to be poor, you know, guys, but it's a crime to be stagnant. And that is what PNP believe in. PNP believe in people to be stagnant. And every time your MP pass, you run go to gate and say, MP, wagwan, beg your money, no? That's the PNP style. You know, see nowadays, when Jamaican people see MP, they just walk past them. Since the Jamaica Labour Party has came into government, when we see a member of parliament, we just walk past them. In a PNP time, member of parliament used to afraid to go to their constituency. In a PNP time, members of parliament used to be afraid to go into their constituency because of the begging. And Military and the Jamaica Labour Party, people are see the MP and not even look matter. MP a pass and people not even look. MP a pass and people not even the IMP and go. People are become the MP in a supermarket. People are MP a drive past, then can't then win if they want. Nobody no business with them. Nobody no business with them, Tyrone. Gone are the days when people are run back at MP. MP beg your money, no? MP beg left for money, no? That's a PNP style. Then there's something they done, dazzle. Then there's something they done. That is why we cannot bring in back the PNP to reverse all the gains that we have made in our country. We cannot bring in the Boomer Special Mark Golding led PNP. We cannot bring in the $5,000 in a shirt Mark Golding led PNP. We cannot bring in back the hand out Mark Golding led PNP. We cannot bring in back the don't want work Mark Golding led PNP. We have to continue on the same trajectory. We have to continue with the policies of Andrew Michael Holness. where people have ambition. We cannot put in Mark Golding and Dayton Campbell in a government. We cannot put in but the Boomer special crew. That is why when I see Mark Jefferson Golding on a platform and I'm winning political gimmickry, it hurt me. It hurt me, guys, because I say, look for Mark Golding. I come with the 90s trick. What are your policies, Jefferson? What are your policies? What are you going to do differently from what the Andrew Holness administration is doing? What are you going to do differently? Tell us. Tell us. We want to know. What will you be doing differently? We hear from Bunting already with the fisherman and we cancel him. We know why you're nothing from Damian Crawford, because the last time when Damian Crawford came out and spoke on behalf of the People's National Party, the PNP come out and say Damian Crawford misspoke and he's not speaking on behalf of them. So we're not listening to Damian Crawford. We want to hear from Mark Jefferson Golding, the highest paid politician in the country. The party leader and the comrade leader that has his asset hidden away in a foreign trust. We want to hear from him. He's the one that we want to hear from. What are your policies and what are your plans? What is your crime plan? What is your crime plan, Marky G? What are your plans? You need to come and tell us. No more run up and down about time come. No more of that. And we're going to hold you accountable. And every night we're going to come on our platform and we're going to ask you. We're going to ask you until you finally tell us. No what if a gimmickry when you come at the parliament with can distract with. No amount of distraction when you come with. But you come with private motion bill we know cannot pass. Waste of time, garbage, nonsense. Nonsense. 10 people can't pass bill in a parliament. You know you don't have the majority. Where you go with that? Where are you going? Why can't you be serious? Why can't you be a serious politician? You're the highest paid politician in the country. And we're not getting value for money from you. We're not getting value for money from you, Mark Jefferson Golding. Every week you come and this me I say to myself, say, Matter, this is the week when Mark Golding going to come with some serious plans. And me sit down and me watch and me wait. I mean, nah, you're nothing from Mark Golding. Me sit down and me watch and me wait. And me still nah, you're no plans and no policies. So me say, this is a joke. This is a joke. So what we are paying for then, Mark Golding, what are we paying you for? You need to turn over your salary back to the people of Jamaica. Send back your salary to the central bank, to the central government. You don't worth it. You're not worth it, Marky G. We're not getting value for money from you. You can never say, when you're there, you cannot say, what am I going to do to change somebody's life this week? Nothing from you. When it comes to housing, no plan. By the way, guys, question. The Prime Minister, under the Prime Minister Indigent Housing Program, every member of Parliament is allowed to choose 5 indigent persons from their constituencies to get one of the houses. You don't see any of the house them opening a Mark Golding constituency? Anybody? Somebody? Because I don't want to tell it. I don't want to talk with me and me ask. Anybody see any of the houses them open in a Mark Golding constituency? Because remember, Mark Golding love poor people, you know. I remember this is a good program. This program is above politics. Angelo gave them a 5. Every member of parliament gets the opportunity to choose 5 persons. And as soon as they identify the 5 persons and the person have their land and the land put together properly, the houses will be built. How many houses are not built in a Mark Golding constituency? In Plank? Any comrade can answer that because I don't know if I know over here. Petal, please stop blocking the comrades then because I want them over here. And when you block them, then leave. Don't mute them, make them turn. Comrades, how many houses? How many of the Prime Minister houses where the Prime Minister make with taxpayer money, kind of fee money in my use? How many houses in a Mark Golding open in a Mark Golding constituency? I don't want to tell a lie for MunchieG. Any bright comrade can tell me that? What about in a Angela Brown constituency? You want to see any in a Angela constituency? You want to see how much PNP love poor people? Eh? You want to see how PNP love poor people? In comrades, this is above politics. You want to see how much the People's National Party love poor people? How many of the houses, of the indigent houses that the Prime Minister have under the housing program, how many houses you want to see open in the Mark Jefferson Golding constituency? What about Angela Brown Burke constituency? What about Julian? What about Hilton? You don't notice or you see that? And I bet the PNP people don't see that. And you know what? And if you don't mind sharp, the comrade MP would tell you say they don't get none, guys. I wonder if you don't know. I wonder if you don't know, say if you don't mind sharp. The PNP MP, I tell them, say, they don't get none of the house them. I know them believe, because comrade gullible. Come here, doesn't say Hilton constituency got. Okay, how many? Because everybody entitled to 5. How much you don't see down at Angela? How many you don't see down at Angela Brown Burke? How many you guys saw at Julian? And you see how PNP love talk about how we love poor people and we want to help poor people. So look how much poor people run a jungle. What would I do well with one of them, the house of Mark Golding? Hey Mark Golding, come here. How many houses? How many persons you identify in your constituency if you get one of the houses where the Prime Minister give? Look how much poor people run a jungle would I love one of their houses. Mark Golding, me couldn't stay so. Me can't rise above politics one time in our life. In Jefferson? Why make for one time in your life you cannot rise above politics? That for one time in your life, Mark Jefferson Golding, you can't take off your orange shirt and say, even though me a PNP and even though me no want to stand up beside Andrew Holness, me I do this for the people in my constituency. Oh, your heart so black, Mark Golding. Oh, your heart so black. No, sir. And you want to become the Prime Minister of this country? You, Mark Jefferson Golding, want to become the Prime Minister of this country and you not put people first? You not put people above party? You not put country above party? And you, Mark Jefferson Golding, want to become the Prime Minister of this country? Dazzle, thank you. Dazzle say one woman a call a little bed get one. Thanks be to God. A 5 supposed to make it at each constituency. So on to the rest. Wanna see any make down Angela Brownberg? Wanna see any house make down a PN land? Look how PN people them are suffer. The people them are PN would have love one of them in the house there, in a guru. The PNP people them are PN would have love one of them nice house there with the solar light and tank on their house. Jesus. Mark Golin, Angela Brownberg. Why you can't put people first? Why can't you guys put people over PNP? Why can't you guys put people over party? Despicable. Mark Golin, Angela Brownberg, despicable. Can me sure say if it was the People's National Party in a government and implement this very good policy, me sure say the Jamaica Labour Party would have take advantage of it. I would have not figure we on. We would have take advantage of it. Because we know that the people them need it and the people them we think about the people, not about us. My God. How low can you guys go? How low can you guys go, Jefferson? How low can you guys go? Uno mean to say, uno no want Andrew Olney shine. So because uno don't want Andrew Olney shine, uno prefer to sabotage the people them in our constituency. Instead of make Andrew Olness come in our constituency, come cut one ribbon, we prefer to make the people and do without. In Jefferson, in Matilda, in Kwashilaya, in Julian. Instead, just because you don't want Andrew Olness to come cut the ribbon, we prefer to make the people them want to know say in need of the house. Why? One thing me have to say about the People's National Party, guys. One thing me, MunchieB, have to say about the People's National Party. And it all started from Michael Manley. When it come to Jamaica, the PNP have a mantra. Them have a motto. Them have a philosophy. It is the party, then the country. One PNP member say, once it is good enough for the party, it is good enough for the Jamaica. One PNP member go a government meeting and say, the party has decided. We, the party, has decided. Remember, government they in, I know, and they went to a public sector meeting with member of the public sector. Now, remember PNP, they went there to talk about the policies, really country of the policy of the country. And the PNP members stand up in the meeting and say, the party has decided, blah, blah, blah. The PNP member said on a platform, if we no vote for Kern, we will not get the water. Remember that? Remember that? It was AJ Nicholson. I don't want to tell no lie. I don't want AJ Nicholson to sue me. Because I already have a lawsuit pending already. So I can't take another one. One of them. If we no vote for Kern, we can't get the water. I don't know if a AJ or a Roger Clark. I don't know. We don't quote me on that. Nobody go sue me now. I already have a lawsuit already. Once it is good enough for the party, Lorraine, is good enough for the country. So when PNP in a power, party first, country second. PNP people first, country second. That's how PNP operate. That's how PNP go to work. And at the same same policies Mark Golding want to come and implement. Because remember, Mark Golding said he was advisor to Omar Davis. And we all know what Omar Davis did to the country in the 18.5 years of Percival. We live it. We experience it. The sour grape where Omar Davis and Percival eat, still an edge with it. We still pay the debt that Omar Davis and Percival accumulated under the 18 years. And here comes Mark Jefferson Golding, the highest paid politician in the country. Run with it and then fix it later. Coming to tell us nothing more than time come. No policy, no plan, no agenda, no manifesto, just time come. Is that what we want, Mark Golding? Is that how you think about us? Is that how you value us? Just time come? Nothing more? Just time come and corruption. That is it. Propaganda. Mischief. Nothing more. You're not giving a plan. You're not giving a policy. Just corruption. Just tearing down Andrew Holness every waking day. Every man you wake up, just Andrew. Statutory decoration, Andrew. That's it. Even though there is no evidence and there is no record and there is nothing to say that Andrew Holness has taken not $1 from us, the taxpayer, and Andrew no illicit enrich himself on the back of poor people like DB&G. Even though there is no evidence after you and the IC brought in an international forensic auditor to comb through Andrew Holness finances from top to bottom, I will not find nothing. You still around up and down about time come and Andrew, corruption. Guys, on the top of the screen, I remember to follow me. Follow me on TikTok, guys. Go over to YouTube and follow my YouTube channel, Politics and More with MunchieB. All I want with the years, so now 249 I want. Go over to YouTube and find my YouTube channel and follow me. Politics and More with MunchieB. Starting from November 1st, I will be going live on my YouTube channel. Me now come back over TikTok. Me not coming back over TikTok starting from November 1st. And if you don't want to hear about the court case, if you don't want to hear the trial go between me and such man, you have to come over YouTube to hear me. Politics and More with MunchieB. Go and go look for it, dazzle. Subscribe, share it with your friends and everybody, and follow me, Lorraine. Starting from November 1st. Scotty, I will be on my YouTube channel. And for the persons who are taking my content and posting it, you guys, days are numbered. Starting from November 1st, I will rest my content and make me post it myself. Because when I post my content, I'm not even tag my YouTube channel. And for the persons that have my content up on them YouTube channel tonight, go on YouTube and put in my YouTube channel and tell no follower to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Or else I will take down my content. Go on YouTube and tag me or whatever you want to do, and share my YouTube channel. Politics and More with MunchieB. Over there, me I go starting from November 1st. Over there, me I go live. Over there, I'm going to be talking about the court case, about what going on, which day me I go to court, who am a liar, who am a evidence, who am a defense. You know, if you don't want to hear about the court case that is pending, you guys have to come on my YouTube channel. Politics. When my moderator, they tag that. Why me tell me I have a moderator, you see, guys? You know, say me have to go make somebody else be my moderator. Anybody see my moderator? Anybody see my moderator, guys?